Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. All right, guys, so if you have wondered how you can delete images from Midjourney that you no longer want a part of your overall Midjourney collection, I'm going to show you how to do that as I just showed myself and had been asked that question and wasn't sure. So I thought that others might want to know as well. So I'm going to show you here in the Discord server. This is an image that I upscaled today that when I look at it, I did not really like it very much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Midjourney and I'm going to show you that that image is here in my archives. Okay. So what you're going to do in Discord, you are going to click on the three dots, your ellipsis. You're going to click on that. And then you are going to click on um, add reaction. And then you're going to come down to view more. In the search field, you're going to type in an X from your keyboard and select this red X. And you see that image disappeared from the Discord server. All right. Now, when you go over to Midjourney, I'm going to refresh my screen and then I'm going to put it back on archive so you guys can see here. That image is now gone. Okay. So it is no longer a part of my Midjourney um, archive. So I'm going to delete this one too. Nope, changed my mind. Thought it looked kind of funky, but it's not bad once I blow it up. But that's all you have to do. And going forward, all you would have to do, I'm going to find another one that I want to delete here. Let's play. Let's take a look. I didn't like this one. Okay. So now that I've used the X, right? All I have to do is click on the three dots. Click on those three dots now, and I'm going to click on add reaction, and X will automatically be there. Okay, so I don't have to click on view more and go look for it or search for it. It's going to now be a part of your reactions. So when I click on this X, you're going to notice that image is going to disappear. It's gone. Okay. Now, when I go over to Midjourney, I just want to make sure I refresh my screen. And when I refresh my screen, and I'm just going to go back here to archives. That image was around about in here with the other little pink girls and it's now gone. So that is how you delete your images from Midjourney. There is no delete option directly inside of Midjourney. You have to do it from the Discord server, and it's by going up to the ellipsis, the three little dots, and going to reactions and clicking on the X. Okay. If you don't see the X, that means you've never used it before. Then you'll go down to view more and just type a X on your keyboard into that search field and select that big red X. And then it'll be a part of your reactions going forward. Okay. All right, guys. If you have any questions, comments about this process, if it wasn't clear, then chime in the comments and I'll see what I can do to help you. But that is how you delete your images from the Midjourney archive. All right. All right, guys, that is it, and that is all. If you're currently following me via YouTube, I want to thank you guys so much for the support that you show via YouTube. And if you are seeing me for the first time and you like my method of teaching, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then if you're currently following me via Facebook, my Facebook group is Ken Doris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. If you would like to join my Facebook group, there will be a link in the description of this video tutorial, this short video tutorial, which I don't do very often, that you can click on and then agree to the Facebook group rules, and we will get you into the group. All right. All right, guys, that's it. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. And you guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day. Bye.